High level, world level endoscopic spine surgery. High level, world level endoscopic spine surgery. He's not only intelligent but also super good with his hands. Really I respect him. He's not only intelligent but also super good with his hands. Really I respect him. Well, we were invited here in the Orthonova clinic with Dr. Singh, and we already know each other because he visited my place 2 times, and he adopted the technique I perform in Europe, and I was extremely impressed with, first of all, his hospital, and secondly, the way how he implemented the endoscopic spine technique in his practice. I saw several surgeries, endoscopic surgery, which I know very well, and he exactly performed it as I would have done it. So really that's a high level, world level endoscopic spine surgery. So not many spine surgeons I know do the surgery as good as he does. And secondary, the hospital, he created it from scratch, he told me, and it's a high level, fully controlled hospital with all facilities, where I'm just an endoscopic spine surgeon, but he does it all. So he does knee replacements, he does hip replacements, and he's always explaining how fast he's doing his surgery. And people sometimes don't believe him, but I saw it with my own eyes. He's incredibly handy. He's not only intelligent but also super good with his hands. Really I respect him.